Thanks to their ingenuity and outstanding talent, construction workers have created beautiful architectural wonders, adding beauty to homes and buildings around the world. They are considered true builders. Today, let's look back with Worker TV on the incredible journeys of these dedicated and talented construction workers. This electrician delicately connected those pipes together, forming a beautiful network. Guess how many bricks this worker moved? Let's start with these construction workers appear to be participating in some kind of recreational game. See how this guy creates beautiful stone steps? With just simple tools, these artisans create beautiful patterns on the walls. A flat wall increases the aesthetics of a house, and this worker quickly flattened it. This worker needed to quickly reconnect the iron bars before they became dislodged. This job required agility and dexterity. Sidewalks are part of ensuring the safety of the road. This guy is renewing a section of sidewalk on the road. Look at this worker spreading mortar around a manhole cover. He does it perfectly. The craftsman meticulously cuts the plasterboard into smaller pieces, skillfully applying glue to bend it perfectly to the ceiling. This is a difficult job that requires a lot of skill. This carpenter is truly experienced because his one saw blade can cut two different pieces of wood. Just add a pair of stilts and this worker can easily move on the ceiling during construction without using a ladder. Turn your backyard into a completely new space with just a few specialized operations from skilled workers. This worker is building a completely stone wall without using any glue or adhesive. This drone can significantly reduce the workload for building cleaning workers. With their skillful hands, the workers created an artistic masterpiece. Take a look at this guy's plastering method, which shows that he is a skilled worker. What might have happened if the worker had been a second slower? He created a manhole cover so subtly hidden that it almost completely blended into its surrounding. The corner of the sidewalk was delicately made by this worker, leaving no imperfections. The workers are skillfully sawing through a massive log that has been submerged in the river for many years. This centuries-old piece of wood looks as if it has been through a wildfire, charred and blackened to the core.